Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to play some Project Pokemon, and let's get into it. Here's some music for us. Let me turn down the high a little bit. Okay, there we go. I want you guys to hear me, I haven't played Roblox for a while now. I've been caught up in the Fortnite grind for a little bit, and, um, I really don't like playing it no more. It's really not that fun for me anymore. So I'm gonna play some Project Pokemon, a game that has since been deleted. People have remade it, and I'm very happy that they did because this is my game that I've grow up with. So Roblox been there for me for a long time. So I'm very happy that but I'm sick. But I'm very happy that it's not dead. So, this game's very fun. Let's talk to this dude. What is this dummy doing here? Yeah, it is. Let's just get the town. I don't know if you can get town to map in this, but like, okay, there's Daisy, I guess. So I have to beat the first gym, so. Okay, that's a very, I'm trying to run. So yeah, this game is very fun. It used to be a lot better than this, but it since has been deleted, like I said. But hope I'm not talking too loud inside the mic. But yeah, evil pumpkin has appeared in chicken. Okay, I don't care. We're gonna. So this is one of my favorite games. I've played it for, like I said, I've grown up with it, but like I've been playing it for like 5, 6 years. Restarted a bunch. We did the championships. This is my main account. It's this has been a long journey of playing Fortnite, and I've quit it, like I said. But I think honestly I like this better than Fortnite. And my brother's switching back to it too. No, the guy's not there. There used to be a guy down here that you used to can see and get like extra money. I guess I didn't add this. We're gonna try to beat the first gym leader in this game, in this video. If you know me in real life, I'm going to the championships game tomorrow. I'm in it. So wish me good luck. As I'm recording this, it's tomorrow, Saturday. Today's Friday, but this might not go up on the Friday. Just see how much I edit this and everything. But I haven't been playing computer games for like very long. I used to play on the Xbox a lot. But I've been since got really good at playing on the computer, so I play on there. Play on here now. I guess this guy's name. Oh my gosh! He is a shiny Pidgey. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Sorry, I've been sick recently. But, oh my. Life potions. Something. No. No, I don't hit first. Yay, I'm dead. Oh, better not lose money. Okay, thank. Oh my, what? So I guess you respawn where you just were. I guess that's fun. What, boy? Boise. Stop quick attacking me, man. There we go. But you're still faster than me. Really, that sucks. But we found a shiny in the first episode. This guy's just saying 5% or something. 5% of Pikachu. So there's some championships in this game. I guess they spend like ever. So this will be 10 minutes video, and it will end. So we got about 3 more minutes of this episode. Each episode is going to be about 10. Oh my. I'm glad you don't lose money. Oh, how did I... Oh, that sucks. But, this is my... The other guy might be my last gym here. Whatever. Let's rap tat 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 tat. This might be my last battle. Sorry for the lame commentary. I'm watching a video if you cannot hear it. But, Squirtle is my favorite Pokemon. Well, in Generation 1. Actually, that's a lie. My favorite Pokemon in Generation 1 is Machamp. But, I can't get him yet, so... Yeah. But I'm a very big Project Pokemon fan. And a Pokemon fan. So if I can get back in time. I saw one. Oh my.